Hello, Paul, Daryl here, Fast Go Automotive, and here's the beast on the run test stand. I've been playing with it for quite a while now, recurving the ignition, and you know, just checking the overall function and range of the motor. She's all sweet as a nut. Yeah, we'll just fire up here for you. Run a little different with a blower on it, that's for sure. Doesn't really like not having the blower on it, but the way it is, Mother Nature. Give me boost, she says. Fire it up. Yeah, worked out quite nice, mate. Get the high volume short water pump. That'll set up for your blower cog on it. And there's the alternator, outboard alternator set up. We'll still load the power steering pump under the alternator, and that'll give you all your turns for your blower set up. You can tell it's got quite the cam in her. Lots of camshaft. The superchargers tend to tame the cams quite a bit. This is obviously naturally inspired. I'm going to go back here. What I did is I hooked up the MSD boost master timing control box. Check it and make sure he's good to go with that. Of course, with that many boost retards. But yeah, all systems good. Your E-foil 2000 volt Pro distributor I've been working on. So like I say, yeah, it turned out quite nice on this side there, and big and high volume fuel pump, 110 gallon pump on it, and there's the 7-quart street strip can on the bottom here. Keeps the blood flowing, as they say. That's all good, man. Got all pressure here around 40 pounds. Drops down about 35. Vacuum is well, 6-7 pounds of vacuum at idle. Put the throttle on this for you. Revs very quickly, man. Yeah, she gets up on it quick. Yeah, she'll jump to 6 in a heartbeat, man. Yeah, we're all happy with the way she turned out. So we'll get her boxed up and get her across the pond. So she shuts down. Yeah, all good. All right, mate. Talk to you.